Hello peeps. This is going to be the start of a series where I just do random rolls, you know? That's going to be its title, Random Rolls, and I'll be showing you what I get. But as you can see, we don't have nearly enough money, so yeah. I'll just unpause this when I got enough money, you know? Now, yes, I did just unpause it with nearly not enough money, but I'd like to clarify. Yes, I have that high mastery on Damn Light. It's because I'm currently on a journey. Well, yeah. Since I've created this account and discovered Bloxers, that journey was to, well, completely get every mastery, like, completely. Recently, I just fully completed T-Rex, so here it is. Hopefully we get a good fruit from the random rolls too. Yeah. To get a good fruit for next mastering. Now you might be wondering, oh, that's such a great video idea, why don't you post that? Oh. Actually, I don't really remember. Maybe it's because I started that journey a long time ago. And it's kind of not going to be an episode 1 new to this stuff if you're not exactly new to that stuff. Though, if we gain 10 likes through all of our episodes of Random Rolls, yes, I'm planning on creating different seasons, 10 episodes every season. Yeah, based on that, I shall create, you know, it's my choice path of evolution in those tower defense games. Yeah. Anyways, I'll pause it, save you the boring details. Side note, I still don't have the money, but who is this dude? Meh, let me fight him. What? Yes, waffle. There. Okay. Oh, great. Okay then. I don't think I did enough damage for anything to count. Just still, why had there to be awakened? Oh, anyway, yeah. Now this time will be the last time. Okay. I've gotten enough money from grinding a bit and even gotten a quest to the cursed castle. Yeah, haunted castle, whatever. Anyway, so yeah, we put in our code that was established in yeah. We do this and then we roll. let's see what we get. Quake fruit? Okay. I guess. Nice. For the first episode, that's pretty cool. Anyway, this concludes our first episode of Random Rolls. See you next time, bud.